The sketch alongside shows the graph of G of X. And then they say which should determine the values of P and Q and what and R. Now, this is my advice. Here's what I'm saying, chat. Get it? Here, if you are given an intercept, yeah, and then you're also given a point, there's no need for you to use that method that I showed you, but it's a turning point method. Yeah? You can use the x-intercept, meaning which you have x1, x2, and 1, and x3. So here, I'm going to tell them which here, I have someone here, but I don't know what is that person. I can't use P because they already have P. Let me use A. I'm going to tell them which this thing here can be X and Z. I can use any other variable. Or I can call it K. Let's call it K. K and 1 and Z. So what am I going to say to them? I am going to tell them which I have Y, which is going to be given as 1. Because the value before X cubed is 1 here. No? Open bracket. I am going to have X minus K all squared. Why K all squared? Is because it's repeating itself how many times? 2 times. And then I'm also going to have X minus 3. Why X minus 3? X minus 3 is this one here. I'm substituting 3, not this minus 3. I think the formula says minus. So it's going to be minus multiplied by what? By the positive. Okay, what do I do with this thing then? What do I do with this information? I am going to tell them which I have minus 3. Minus 3 is this one, which is going to be equal to 1, open bracket. 0 minus K all squared. 0 minus 3. And if you try to simplify this thing here, it's going to give you something like this. It's going to say you have minus 3 this side. And then here you have it's negative 3K squared. No? How did you get negative 3K squared? You said K all squared, it gives you K squared. And what is minus 3 multiplied by K squared? What if I go minus 3? What if I go minus 3? And then it says which K is going to be equal to plus and a minus 1. Now, which one should we take here? Can it be positive or negative? Negative. It's the negative one. Therefore, our K is going to be equal to a minus 1. Come and erase them. You know this point. So now you have the x-intercepts. So this one is minus 1. Since you have the x-intercepts, then you can then say you have y, which is going to be 1, x plus 1. Y plus 1 is negative multiplied by negative. So negative multiplied by negative is going to give us x plus 1 all squared. Again, the formula is minus. So it's minus 1. And then we're also going to have x minus 3. First, work with this bracket. If you work with this bracket, it says which you're going to have 1. Open bigger bracket, you have x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is going to be multiplied by x minus 3. Close bracket, close bigger bracket. This one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one. And then we're going to have 1, open bracket, it's x cubed, yeah? Plus 2x squared plus x. Okay, let's do the other one. It's a negative 3 multiplied by x squared, which is going to give us minus 3x squared. Negative 3 multiplied by 2x is going to give us minus 6x. Negative, it gives us what? Minus 3. Close bracket. Now, what are you going to have? Let's check. What do we still have? We are going to have like terms. Like terms number 1, like terms number 2. Let's start with like terms number 1. So we can have, I want to highlight the like terms. So like terms number 1, we have the ones with the cube. The one with the cube is alone. So the one with the cube is alone, but the one with the squared is not alone. So we are going to have something like, what is this? All right, so we have x cubed, né? And then we have this one which goes with this one. Né? This one and this one, they're going to give us what? Minus x squared. Né? And then we have this one and this one, which is going to give us minus 5x minus 3. Therefore, P is -1. Q is -5. R is equaling to -3. And then you are officially done with this one.